Hi everyone, today we'll be looking at an EP05 circle question from Cambridge Secondary School. Now this looks like a fairly complicated circle question, and it's true that many Sec 4 students struggle with such visual questions. The common complaints from students include them being unsure with which angle they should be looking for and why they can't seem to apply the 8 properties of circles. In the end, students will end up spending a lot of time looking for angles that they won't be using and eventually giving up on the question. Today, we will highlight the common mistake that students is going to make for this question. Now, let's take a look at this circle question. Part A of the question is asking for the reflex angle BOD. Some students may think that they need to apply the circle property of opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. They feel that angle BCD together with obtuse angle BOD will be equals to 180 degrees. And from there, they conclude that the reflex angle BOD will be 280 degrees. Now, it's true that 280 degrees is a reflex angle, but to apply the circle property of cyclic quadrilateral, the most important criteria is to make sure that all 4 points are touching the circumference of the circle. Now, as we can see, in the quadrilateral BCDO, point O is at the center of circle. So from here, we definitely cannot use the cyclic quadrilateral property. Instead, students should consider using the circle property of angle as center is 2 times the angle as circumference. Now, it's important to know that we'll be using the angle property. Angle as center is 2 times the angle as circumference. But the common mistake students make will be they identify obtuse angle BOD to be 2 times of angle BCD. Now, how do we make sense of this property? How do we know which are the 2 correct angles to use? We have to refer to the basic diagram. From the basic diagram of angle at center is 2 times the angle at circumference, we can see how the angle at center is twice of the angle at circumference. Now, if we are to shift the 2 blue colored dots up to circle, we will be getting a quadrilateral. And with your visualization, you should be able to tell that the 2 angles that are related are the one that's highlighted in blue. Now we know that the angle that's actually 2 times of angle BCD is actually reflex angle BOD. So the answer for this question will simply be 100 degrees multiplied by 2. There you have it. Do make sure you take note and not make this common mistake.